So, paano na natin ngayon i-combine ang tatlong applications na ito so that they will be linked together dito sa ating application. So, you go to your Combi form and the Solution Explorer and right-click dito sa ating combination, add existing item, at hahanapin natin yung iba pang applications na ginawa natin. So, I'll go to desktop. Dito ko sinave yung aking 4 na applications. So, I have here factors, factorial, average, and combi. Okay, so ang gusto muna natin gawin is i-connect itong combination problem or combination form sa factor finder na button. So, go to the factor finder, then subfolder, tapos itong tatlong files. Ito yung inyong kopyahin. So, you have factor.designer.vb, factor.resx or resources at factor.vb. So, press add. At mapapansin nyo dito yung factor.vb na dagdag na dito sa my project. Kanina, combi lang. Okay? So, you do the same dun sa dalawa pa para sa average tsaka sa my factorial. Okay? So, you right-click on the combination. Add existing item. Then, look for, so factorial naman yung ating i-connect ngayon. So, look for the factorial folder. Factorial folder. Then, enter the subfolder of factorial at itong tatlong ito. Palaging tandaan, yung .vb, yung .designer.vb, yung .resx.vb, yan yung tatlong files na dapat ninyong i-add. So, press add at pansinin ninyo na nadagdag na naman dito yung factorial.vb. So, you know that you are on the correct path kasi ito na yung dapat na itsura ng inyong form ngayon for the combi. Okay, so let's add another application, yung average na lang. So, right-click on the combination. Add existing item and look for the average folder. So, I'll go to the average folder, enter the subfolder average, at itong tatlong ito ay i-add ninyo. Okay, and notice meron na rin tayo ditong average.vb na nagdagdag sa ating combination form. Okay, so dapat gagana na to ang mga links na to. So, gagana pa lang, hindi pa to gagana kasi wala pang code, pero na-prepare na natin that they will be linked or mare-recognize na ng combi form natin kung sakaling mag-type na tayo ng code. So, let's try. Let's start with the factor finder. So, factor finder is one of the events na meron dito sa combi or sa combination application natin. So, double-click on the factor finder. Okay, so make sure nandito kayo sa private sub btn factor app or underscore click. At ang gagawin natin ngayon, since we are trying to access itong factor finder na application, okay, I will type me. So, pag sinabing me, it refers to this combination application form. Me.hide. Okay, then we have to access the factor finder. So, we have here the name of the form of the factor finder. So, notice nyo na recognize yung 4. Okay, so tama yung ginagawa nyo kung makikita nyo itong 4. So, let's combine or let's link that to the factor finder. Show. Okay? Then, try nating i-run yung program. So, this program that we are running is the application for combination. So, yung pinag-combine natin yung iba't ibang apps natin. Okay? So, of course, wala pa tong connection, yung factorial at average. So, nakiklik lang yan ngayon but nothing happens. So, same with the average. Pero dito sa factor finder, when we click this, since meron na tayong ginawang code at na-detect ng ating combination app, itong form na ito, when you click the button factor finder, it should link to the form of our factor finder app. So, let's try if this works. Okay? So, tama. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Factor Finder app. And of course, kung nag-work yun kanina, so remember, nag-note tayo dito that the Factor Finder app is okay. So, it is expected na gumagana pa rin ito. Wala naman tayong binago sa code. Nilink lang natin itong form na nagawa na natin dun sa combination app na dinagdag natin. So, let's just have an example para sigurado. 6. So, we know that the finders or the factors of 6 is 1, 2, 3, and itself, which is 6. Kung hindi ko to i-click yung radio button. So, find factors, so correct. Clear data, and we're done. So, let me close this application. At balik tayo dito sa ating combi. Pero since nakalink, no, notice, meron pa kayong kailangan pang pindutin para makabalik kayo doon talaga sa pag-edit natin ng combi. So, look for the stop debugging icon, yung square, para makapagdagdag pa tayo ng mga new codes. Okay, so let me go back to the form design of the combi. This time, I will link it to the factorial. So, we are in the function of the factorial at ito pa rin yung code natin, me.hide. Then, this time, since factorial ang app, we will link or we will open the form of the factorial, which is frm factorial that show. Okay? So, let's try it kung magra-run ng tama. So, we are now on the factorial form. Okay, so Finder or Factor Finder app is okay. Ito yung kaninang hindi na link. Okay. At this time, yung Factor Finder na link is also okay. Okay. So now we'll go to the Factor Finder, or sorry, tapos na tayo dito sa Factor Finder app. Let's try the Factorial app. Okay, so run the program. And we'll click Factorial button. So yung Factor Finder, okay na to kanina. So Factor Finder na nakalink is also okay. Factorial yung gusto nating itry ngayon. Average is, of course, wala pa. So nothing happens when you click the average button. But when you click Factorial, you will be linked to the Factorial app, which is correct. So kanina, ang Factorial app ay okay. No? So kung hindi nyo man iti-test, okay na yon. Pero just to make sure, let's try to run the program again. So let's have, for example, 6. 6 factorial is 720. So let me click the button. Yeah, it's 720. But I have here some features na pinapakita pa yung computation or how did the program get the 720 result. Let me clear the data, close it, and stop debugging. And let me go back to the codes for the combination. Okay, so itong Factorial app na nakalink or the Factorial app link is also okay. So yung kulang na lang natin so far is the average app na nakalink. Okay, so go back to the combination form and this time I'll double click on the average function. So I'll type me.hide, then form ng average is frm average dot show. Okay, and supposed to be, we're done. So let us try to run the link average application. So we have here the combination form. So Factor Finder is working, yung nakalink. Yung Factorial na nakalink is also okay. So let's try the average program. So naglink din siya ng tama. So let's try again to run the average application. This time I'll input 10 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. At bawat type ko dito, napupunta siya sa list box natin. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, And the last number is 10. The total of this is actually 55. So 55 divided by 10, we have a result of 5.5. Clear data, and let us close this application and stop debugging. And there you are. Average app link is also okay. Okay, so make sure save. Okay. So nagwo-work na ang ating link. Ang kulang na lang dito para hindi tayo close ng close palagi at magsa-stop debugging is to put a button sa tatlo, sa kay factor finder, kay factorial, kay average, ng button na pabalik dito no, sa ating combination na application. So far, wala pa tayong nilagay na button. So, in the average, so wala. No, dapat maglagay tayo dito ng button that will go back to our combination form. So, same din dito sa factorial, we don't have a button that will link you back to the combination form, and same with the factor finder. So, yan yung gagawin natin in our next video lesson.